We all have issues with our computers, and from time to time we have to strip everything and reload everything back on again, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. Welcome, my name is Annalia Pisani from AZ Solutions. So what I'd like to talk to you about is your web browser, the place that we often don't think about backing up. Sure, you can log back in and hope everything's okay, but sometimes things go very, very bad. So as a backup, you can actually export your bookmarks. You've gone through all this trouble of setting up your bookmarks, the links, the websites that you go to on a regular basis. So to do this, if you're in Google Chrome, you'll see three little dots on the top right-hand corner where your little profile icon is. From there, select Bookmarks, Bookmarks Manager. Then again, on the top right, you'll see three little dots, and from there you can select the Export Bookmarks feature. Hope that's helpful to you.